Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Karimnagar location. It is from Telangana. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager credit operations. And if you see the qualifications and experience required for this job role, like you should have 2 to 4 years of work experience and minimum 1 years of work experience in managing branch operations, and the candidate should be postgraduate, and you should have collaborate work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company, and should have excellent communicational skills along with strong presentation and data analytical skills, and you should be self-motivated and a self-starter. These are some qualifications and experience required for this job role, and if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Swiggy. They are looking for sales manager. And if you see the job requirements for this job role, like you should be graduate with 2 years plus experience in sales domain, and you should good working knowledge and experience of e-commerce activities and all online marketing channels, and you should be confident, pleasing and go-getter personality, and effective communicational skills, attitude and aptitude for sales, and you should be a team player working alongside people from all walks of your life, and you should be analytical and good excel skills should be there for you, and you should have leadership and influencing skills, identify builds and uses a wide network of contacts with people at all levels and internally and externally, and achieves a good result through a well planned approach. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Cognix Soft. They are looking for Angular developer and Node developer. And coming to the job descriptions, like for the Angular developer, and you should have expert level knowledge of HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and Angular, and you should have experience in developing responsive web applications, and you should have knowledge on integrating web apps with REST, and good to have hands-on experience in testing tools like Jasmine and Karma. And coming to the primary skills required for this job role, like Angular, HTML, JavaScript, CSS and Git. And if you see the secondary skills like Git, REST, React.js, Jasmine and Karma. This is about the job description for Angular developer. And coming to the job description for Node developer, like you should have expert level knowledge of JavaScript, Express.js and Node, and you should have experience in developing REST APIs using Express, and should have strong debugging skills and experience in agile software development projects, and you should have worked on complex web applications and must have used ES6 features. These are about the job description about Node developer. And interested candidates, if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for school teacher. It is from Narayana Group, and for this job role you should have 1 year of experience in teaching, and you must have BEd qualification. And if you see the job roles and responsibilities, like maintaining productive working habits and discipline in the classroom, preparing daily and long-term lesson plans according to curriculum guidelines, and seeking experienced school teachers for classes from 5th to 6th, 5th to 10th for subjects like English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography and Hindi, and supervising students throughout the day, both in the classroom and outside during breaks. These are some roles and responsibilities for the school teacher. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive. It is from Maheshmati Enterprises. And if you see the responsibilities for this job role, like door-to-door sales, water purifier, and will have door-to-door sales, marketing, etc. And they will have a fixed salary of 8k and additional incentives up to 50k per month, and local language will be Hindi and Telugu are required. And for this position there will be no age limit, and experience is a plus for this job role. And this is a full-time job opportunity, and the salary will be 15,000 per month. Interested candidates, if you fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the marketing executive, and it is only for males, and it is from Train Zone. And if you see the responsibilities for this job role, like drive marketing tasks for the assigned territory, and visiting colleges and getting students list, and to generate walk-ins within branch, to establish and maintain the company's presence in target markets including top schools and colleges, other educational centers, industry associates, etc., and handling digital platforms, and should have a two-wheeler. These are some responsibilities required for this job role, and if you think if you are fit for this job role, you can apply by the link provided in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.